in the middle of the day.
I hate this place. Really? You can't follow the signs? Cannot read the signs to save his life. Oh well. Ooh, that guy came close to the guardrail.
Stadium for Babe Ruth to bring the fucking game back and all of that.
Did not move over. Yeah, move 2 inches into the left lane doesn't count. A little too early there. Stop it. No way you're trying that. You're an idiot. Whoa. Dude, you gotta move over. You gotta, well, you didn't move over. Oh, well. No trucks in the left lane today. And he's going pretty slow, too. Now he's moving over. Hey, you're gonna try it? Wow. Whoa! Fuck me! And in front of a cop, too. He's too busy chatting. I don't think he saw it. Your lift gate's open. Shit, they rent those trucks to anybody. It looks like that hand truck's ready to fall out, too. Pulled over just in time.
Be talking like a yogi in Oshawa. This guy was the head of Def Jam, and he got like really into yoga, and now he lives in some country somewhere. Just fucking does yoga. He's doing Instagram live talking like a guru.
Yeah. Oh, that guy up there. FedEx.
I'm not either.
Exit dive.
You watched the old black and white footage of
I thought he was exiting.
Of field goal kicking.
Oh, that
Back
guy.
in the day,
Douchebag.
people used to kick straight on. They didn't kick. Because it always looked like they had like some fucking giant offensive lineman kicking the ball, that they were not kicking the ball that far. That was sort of true. Because I just feel like coming straight on like that, like how much... Here, pick up this refrigerator. Can't imagine what the rehab was. So he then played from, after his back injury, 61 to 67. Now here's the thing about this guy. He was the first guy that could accurately hit from beyond 40 yards and could hit a 50-yarder. And up until Lou Groza came along, like, the kicking game was really... People couldn't kick it as far as Lou Groza. So Lou Groza comes in and could kick the ball.
Now you're not in a hurry. Come on. There you go.
This is great. He was basically the first, which prohibits a player from removing his helmet while on the field. The rule was informally named after Smith, the Hall of Fame running back who had a habit of removing his helmet to celebrate
you're just going to keep
touchdown,
going, aren't you?
including after the TD he scored on
Of
his
course
first carry.
Although this
I had
green
just
light
come
is
off a serious
remarkably
injury, and all I
short
read
for the
about
amount of
was how I
trucks that pull
supposedly
in
had
here.
lost a step.
Holy shit, that's a bad red light run. I'm surprised he went for it. Where the fuck were you going? Oh, I hate Pennsylvania. I hate it over here. Oh, it's really over the thing, douchebag.
See that Holder has laid out a list of recommendations for us. The board members shuffle to the right page. Holder makes it clear.
Not much. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. And that guy's on the shoulder, too. This could have been planned a lot better, sir. Hey, what are you doing up there? You almost rammed into someone. Speed limit's 55, dude.
This is contactless delivery. Richmond's happy to have work.
Dude, you got plenty of room on your right side. There you go.
Trying to,
I don't think it's bad here.
Up to
I
par
haven't seen
for
any
whatever
signs.
it is you're doing.
Oh, wait. There's a sign. No trucks in the left lane today. No trucks in the left lane. Well, anytime, I guess.
And we were just sitting next to each other, and he was just like laughing at me every time his character hit my character.
Dang it!
Like, cackling.
Wildlife killer!
Morpheus.
And then they really crashed and burned, and many of them died.
Really?
But what we did was basically, by knowing that, identify these cases in their context quickly. So if they had symptoms, brought them in.
He sacrifices to the particle gods. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure about that.
Oh, jeez.
Right. Okay, let's move.
Wow. Holy crap, more. Holy shit, more deers. Don't cross the road, don't cross the road. No, don't. I don't want him to dart out in front of me. Wow. Something you don't see every day.
Motels that you're going to stay in. All right? And you're going to do whatever
No.
it takes to get there. And your college kids in the middle of the day.
I
who
hate
had
this
no
place.
idea there was going to be a show.
All the
You're going to
deers.
stand up there.
There you go. Jeez. Turn right in front of the guy.
Doesn't. It doesn't.
Not for the animals.
Not for the
no.
animals, and not for the machines either. You know, it seems as though it's like
Are you just gonna sit there?
What you just described
Okay.
is
Yeah, it's green.
Our need.
And I go back and watch it and be like, oh, that was...
Nope. No
it's
one
still
wants
not
to
a
make
standard
left
play,
turns
but it's way
anymore,
more
I
standard
guess.
than I had
It's like I died and went to Jersey.
all the fucking time. All the fucking time. Now, granted, this was like 10 years ago. I'm not saying they're not making it right now. Because I gotta be honest with you. I
that
really
guy
love
up there.
That V8.
Doesn't know where he's going. Yeah, it's like Subway and Duck, man. No turn on red. Really? Right turn lane! There's a right turn lane! Right turn lane! Get... Jeez!
The Chinese because we can't go home. It was either sleep here or stay up all night in an after-hours dance club.
Okay, I guess you
We
wanted to
don't
go
to
that
dance
way.
clubs. Tyler lies back and asks, if Marilyn Monroe was alive right now, what would she be doing? I say goodnight.
Pay attention! Get off your
The
phone!
headliner hangs down.
Whoa, jeez!
Seventh chamber. by Wu-Tang, released in 1993 and
Red
included
Light Runner.
on their debut album.
All right, what's wrong with this picture, people? I'll give 10 points to whoever comes up with the first.
I waved her off. Sounds like any other space tourism company. They're all the same, a bunch of jerking
Just
off
ran through the stop.
models followed by no progress. This one's different, she said.
You're like, why the fuck did he kill that shark? There's enough sharks dying out there.
Whoa,
You didn't
jeez.
see that this thing was specifically targeting human beings and he needed to do this, right?
A few minutes later.
That guy was a pussy. That guy leaning on that guy's neck like that guy's a monster. There's no way that guy
Because he knew he was being filmed too and he just had no...
Jeez, I think that's the
like
same truck from
hands in
earlier.
his pockets like he was just fucking waiting for an Uber or something like
What
that.
the
Makes you
hell?
think... Yeah.
If Lyft and Didi work together, they might be able to slow down Uber's global expansion.